Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make wine in Infinite Craft. Begin by sanitizing your fermenter and tools, then crush grapes and measure sugar precisely. Pitch the recommended yeast and keep fermentation temperatures steady while monitoring gravity. Rack carefully to avoid oxidation, age in a cool place, and bottle when fermentation stabilizes. Taste periodically and adjust sweetness or acid as needed for balanced flavor. Primary fermentation starts fast, so keep a close eye on activity and temperature. Add yeast nutrient if activity slows and record specific gravity daily until it drops consistently. Keep the airlock bubbling, but avoid opening the fermenter unnecessarily. When gravity reaches the target range, prepare to transfer carefully to minimize oxygen exposure. Clean transfers and gentle handling lead to clearer wine and fewer off flavors during later steps. After primary fermentation, rack the wine off lees to a clean vessel for secondary fermentation or aging. Monitor clarity and taste, and add clarifiers if needed to speed settling. If back-sweetening, stabilize with appropriate additives and test batches first. Store bottles or carboys away from light and temperature swings to let tannins and aromas mellow. Patience here improves balance and reduces harshness before final bottling and serving.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.